Namaskar. India Meteorological Department IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 26 November 2021. So in this briefing we are going to discuss about realized 24 hours rainfall, weather systems, forecast for next 5 days. So from this we can see that during past 24 hours Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andaman reported heavy rainfall, and Tamil Nadu reported heavy to very heavy rainfall and isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter at one or two places. So here we have listed some of the significant rainfall. So this district to Kudi reported isolated extremely heavy rainfall, and Nagapattinam reported very heavy rainfall, and remaining districts reported heavy rainfall. In Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram reported 7 centimeter, and in Nicobar Islands, both were reported 7 centimeter. So these three subdivisions reported heavy rainfall during past 24 hours. The rest of the divisions reported nowhere heavy rainfall. So this is the satellite imagery and animation showing cloud movement. From this we can see that under the influence of this cyclonic circulation over Comorin area and adjoining Sri Lanka coasts in lower tropospheric levels, there is a good cloudiness conditions over Tamil Nadu region, and also cloudiness is there, isolated patches over Andaman Nicobar Islands, and also over this southern parts of Kerala and neighborhood. So this is the summary of today's presentation or briefing. So as I already told that there is a cyclonic circulation over Comorin area and adjacent Sri Lanka coast, and also due to the strong northeasterly winds over Tamil Nadu coast and coastal Andhra Pradesh at lower levels. Under the influence of these conditions, light to moderate rainfall, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, Kerala and Lakshadweep area during next 5 days, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema during the same period. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during 26th to 29th November, and isolated extremely heavy falls, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter at isolated places very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal subdivision, especially over North Tamil Nadu today 26th November, and isolated heavy rainfall likely over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema on 26th and 27th, and isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 28 and 29 during over the same subdivisions. Isolated heavy rainfall likely to continue over Kerala and Mahi during next 4 days, that is during 26th to 29th November. So this is the summary of heavy and very heavy rainfall. As far as fishermen warnings are concerned, there is a possibility of wind speed 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph very likely over Comorin area, Gulf of Mannar and along end of South Tamil Nadu coast and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal on 26th and 27th. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during 26th and 27th November 2021. And also there is a possibility of likely formation of low pressure area as already mentioned yesterday itself, that around likely to form around 29th November 2021. So it is likely to become more marked and move west northwestward during subsequent 48 hours. And under its influence, isolated heavy rainfall likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 29 and 30th November. Isolated thunderstorm activity with squally wind speed reaching 30 to 40 km is also likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands during the same period. And as far as the fishermen warnings are concerned, because of likely formation of low pressure area over South Andaman Sea, there is a possibility of squally winds speed reaching 40 to 50 gusting to 60 over Andaman Sea and neighborhood areas during 30th to 2nd December. So fishermen are advised to be cautious and avoid venturing into these areas during 30th November to 2nd December. As far as significant cold wave conditions are concerned, there is a no chance or very less chance of any significant cold wave conditions likely to prevail during next 5 days. As far as fog is concerned, there is a possibility of isolated fog today over Assam and Meghalaya subdivision. However, no significant dense fog likely to prevail over any parts of the country during next 4 5 days. However, shallow to moderate fog conditions likely to prevail over Odisha and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal during next 2 days. So these are the weather warning for next 5 days in graphics format. We can see that this is a symbol of fog or visibility. So as I already told that there is a possibility of dense fog at isolated pockets over Assam and Meghalaya today, and this red color shows that there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall today over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal at isolated places, especially over North Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall is expected over this, that is coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Kerala and Mahe. And on 27 day wise we will discuss also weather warnings. So on 27 we can say that very heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal subdivision, and heavy rainfall is expected over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Kerala and Mahe. And on 28, as far as 28 warnings are concerned, this very heavy rainfall is expected at isolated places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall is expected over Kerala and Mahe. On 29, very heavy rainfall is expected over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema, and heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu and Kerala and Mahe, and also over Andaman Nicobar Islands. And on 30th, there is a little possibility of heavy rainfall over any subdivision. However, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar Islands under the influence of likely formation of low pressure area over South Andaman Sea and its movement. So these are the weather warnings, and we will meet again with new episode tomorrow. Thank you.